Good afternoon, Hojicha.
Meet Matcha's roasted cousin over ice.
Ice fast. Then your choice of plant milk straight over. Now whisk with a little warm water.
Until smooth and silky.
Pour it in.
Enjoy the swirl. Less caffeine than matcha.
Roasted and delicious. The drink that 4 p.m. was made for.
Good afternoon, Hojicha.
No, I thought we were doing this together.
Yeah. The drink
that
4 p.m. was
made for.
4 p.m. was made for. The Clearspring Family Kitchen.